But this is what is happening from the ground level. All right. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Yes, we're back here again on the busy street, but we're out on Hellshire Main Road because we're taking another look on Hellshire View. From the jump, you guys can see that there has been some amount of improvement with the development, and that's exactly what we're here to show you guys today. But just before we get into that, remember to watch the ads. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you are just coming on board. Turn on your post notification bell and set it to all. Alright? Share the videos, leave your comments, and also remember to hit that like button. So guys, driving on the road, you'll see that a lot of units have gone up. You'll realize that the area is pretty clear. As you can see, a lot of transformation has taken place. So we're going to just fly the drone right now. Let you guys see the amount of units that are now there comparing to the last video that we did. And also from the jump you can see other areas being leveled and foundation set. So now hold you up no longer, giving you guys this drone shot right now, and we'll definitely catch you on the other side. So see you after we come back on the ground. All right.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So now that we're back on the ground, you would have already seen from the skies, but this is what is happening from the ground level. Alright, the roadway is now being worked on as well. It was not like this the last time we came here, and as you can see, like I explained to you before, a lot of leveling has taken place. Work is still going on as they're laying the drain pipes, but guys, you can be fair to yourselves and say that some amount of work is actually taking place. So yeah, yes guys, a big improvement to what we saw here the last time, and we're grateful for that. I hope you guys appreciate this video. I hope you appreciate the drone shot. And I hope that you guys will not be too stressed on saying that nothing is happening, because indeed you can see that there is some movements going on now. Alright, so we'll definitely keep you guys updated with this development. If there are additional informations added, we'll provide you guys with that when the time is right. If you don't know about these units, you can contact Rite Solutions, you can contact HAJ. Alright, so get the contact information from the description of this video below. Make the contact, put out some effort, get yourself set and ready to go. Don't be on the last lap trying to hustle and bustle to find things. You can start from now. Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated, but ensure that you are subscribed and you are following, and we'll definitely catch you guys on the other side of this video in a brand new video. So take care from ChriSamz, and it's peace out.